in reference to the previous post after this one, I mean before this one, what was it? We're not here with no kids, but what?
We're here with other people's kids.
Husband and I just give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of our little adventures and family adventures, please subscribe to our channel. And Chloe is so excited to gander into our Antabi life. Why do I sound like that? And if you just enjoyed us, please Hey guys, thank you so much for checking out our videos. I know you're not used to me talking to the camera, but I'm going to try to do that more. So I hope you enjoyed some of our clips to our Kesha and Macklemore concert. It was a wonderful date night for my husband and I. It's very, very rare because my husband works a lot, and you know, we just don't get alone time, and we also don't have a sitter. But we were fortunate that my mom was back from her vacation and offered to watch the kids for us. So if you like the video, please give it a like, and if you want, subscribe so you can see more of our adventures. Our next video will be the Kids Bop concert, where we're going to go as a family. Our kids are super excited, and we have a very special surprise for them. So I hope you guys stay tuned, and click the notification bell if you want to know exactly when we post the videos. Because right now I'm trying to stick to one video a week, but maybe I'll push it up to more. Thank you.